This is an introduction to Hatch's ifilters. Ifilters are the way that Hatch parses incoming data and makes it more structured. Incoming data is semi-structured text or free-form text, and that text is scanned when it's uploaded to Hatch or later time designated by the user. Ifilters use some elementary parsing processes to find the structure in this otherwise free-form text. ifilters are a way that allow advanced users to define data schemas on the fly instead of Hatch developers having to define each individual schema and program for those specific schemas or those structures of data. And so we have a piece of data and it has a filter that's applied to it as defined by the user, and the interesting pieces of the data pop out. And so Hatch has lots of documents that come in that are just free-form text or semi-structured text, and the result is this nice, a lot more readable, a lot more usable piece of data for internals for Hatch, displaying the document and searching through the document. There's still a little bit of data left that we want to retain on this document, and the ifilter applies some header filters to that to retain just that specific part of the document up at the top. And it's a little bit more searchable and readable in this form. So we have the original document, and then we have the parsed out document, and then the stuff that gets left behind as designated by the ifilter creator, stuff kind of in between that isn't really interesting and we don't want to retain. So data that happens once per document is considered metadata in Hatch, and then data that happens over and over and over is just considered data in Hatch. And so the data is the tabular original pieces of information from the document, and the metadata are things that only happen once. So that is what Hatch does internally to parse out documents and make them readable.